Sitting at such a weird angle. I have like my laptop pointing diagonally and then my mic in front of me and then this box in. Oh, this is such a bad setup. I feel like I have to take a picture of this as well after, just for you guys to see what I'm talking about. To be honest, I don't know why I'm doing this, kind of no point, but someone got me an Xbox controller because it was it is my birthday in like 2 days. So I'm gonna open it. Alright, I've never played with an Xbox controller before. I have no idea why they went Xbox. I mean, I play with PS5 controllers, but whatever. I guess it'll work, hopefully. One thing I did notice about it is that it says it's like battery operated. Does that mean that I always have to have batteries available, or can I plug it into something and play like that? I mean, aesthetically it looks better, but I mean, I don't know, about to find out anyway. I did just eat food, so my hands are like extra greasy right now. Also, don't mind my like really chubby fingers. Where's the thing to pull it apart? Found it. I obviously have to fake some things, for example me struggling to open it, because that's what people do in these unboxing videos for comedic effect. I got the sticker off, so it got stuck to my hand. I feel like I should open it like this, like I'm proposing or something, but ooh, wait, I need to look at my camera to make sure that it can actually... Alright, well there it is. This feels very off-brand. It feels like it's not an Xbox controller, you know what I mean? Like, this is basically, the person who bought this for me said because you play on your laptop, that if you want to have another controller besides the PS5 one, have an Xbox one. I've never even had an Xbox before, so this is very peculiar. Even if I can't use it, I'm gonna put on like a statue or something for the most like useless purchase of all time if I can't actually use it. But if I can use it, this is actually a pretty solid purchase. Alright, on the inside, they have this where they give you like some setup or something. Alright, what else is there? Is this the whole box? Where is like everything? Alright, you didn't see anything. I didn't realize it was going to slip out of there. I don't want to touch the controller yet. I want to touch the other stuff and then touch the controller, but because the controller's already here, I might as well. You know what? I might angle down the camera. That might be a little bit better. Alright, they already give you AA batteries, which is actually pretty solid. Otherwise, I was going to lodge the biggest complaint to Xbox to say, why don't you give me... And also, where's this? Surely there's got to be some type of chargeable, like... If they're all just battery operated, then this isn't a good investment. I'm not going to lie. I already can't afford, like, petrol and groceries and honestly just to live on a day-to-day basis. Duracell batteries. Do not throw in the bin. Noted. Is there anything under this? Like, surely they give you some cable or something. Nothing there. And then this... is manufacturing paper. Don't care about that. Xbox accessory product manual. Agreement to Xbox warranty and software license terms. You must accept hardware warranty. Do people still do this? Buy Xbox controllers or just any type of controller in 2026? I feel like it's not really a thing anymore. Also, you wouldn't be buying an Xbox controller in 2026, but I guess why not? I mean, we do have a Nintendo Switch in this house, and then we have a PS5 in this house, so we had all forms of a controller except for Xbox. I've never actually had an Xbox controller. I think I've said that like 12 times though. Alright, well that's the box. I'm just gonna... Actually wait, I need to put the other stuff inside. Hold up, bear with me where I open the box again. And put the other... Fudge! I don't need this setup. Like, let's be real, how much is that actually gonna help me? If I can't figure out how to already play a game, then it's just never gonna work. You put it in, and then you hold it for like 3 seconds, and then you connect it to something. Wait, can you not... Wait... Can you not connect it to your laptop? Wait, this is about to be the biggest waste of money. And I'm just gonna naturally assume that you can connect. Oh wait, it says you can. You can settings and Bluetooth connect it. Okay, it's not bad. Unless I'm misreading that, but I'm gonna assume that I'm not. It's fine, no one's gonna watch this video anyway to call me out on it and say you've read it wrong, or that read wrong, you know what I mean? Xbox box thingy-majiggy, done. Wait, we already looked at the battery, so I don't really need that. You know what, I'm gonna stop wasting time and just get to the actual controller at this point. Alright, here it is in all of its... It feels weird. Oh, I don't know, it's like, feels... Wait, listen to the sound. Wait, I'm gonna put it right next to my mic and scratch it. Like, it feels very, I feel like I'm not used to this. Is this an Xbox controller? Like, it definitely is an Xbox controller. It feels weird. Like, this is how I usually play with controllers. I put my 2 fingers on there and then I start... What is all of these stuff? Like, why does it have this, a USB-C, and then it has... I don't even know what BC that is. One thing I do like about it is I feel like this layout on the thumbsticks is actually better for you compared to like PS5 where you're down here. But I mean, I can't attest to it. I've never played with it before. I wonder if I can stand this up. It's got like really glossed buttons, so look at this. Overall, it's a pretty like solid controller, I'd say so, but I mean, now it's time to install the batteries. Probably should have kept the manual out for this one so I can figure out how to install the batteries. It's naked. So I put this down and then I grab the batteries. Ooh, wait, I like that sound. Wait, I gotta put it next to the mic so you guys can hear. Yeah. I'm gonna put the stick. I should have actually brought a rubbish bin with me so I can pull all this stuff, but whatever. So how do I put it? Do I put it like, I don't know what, I should have really paid attention in physics. That? Why is it wonky? Wait, I might have done it wrong. That, and then, like that, and then, I get this, and I put it back on. Oh yeah! Imagine I'm playing like any game that I'm ever playing and just like, overall pretty solid controller. I remember like, I actually thought it was going to be a lot more bigger, but maybe my hands are just big. Yeah, I feel like I have nothing else to comment on this. Wait, I gotta get like a really good, like a thumbnail picture or something, you know what I mean? What happens when you start doing like YouTube videos, you become obsessed with what kind of thumbnail and whatnot you're getting. Oh wait, that's actually a solid freaking thumbnail right there. Hold up, let me get the tape out of the way. Wait, I'm actually so proud of that thumbnail. Sorry, I don't know why I got close to the mic. It's because it's like right next to me. Anyway, that's the Xbox controller. Weirdest unboxing of all time. Hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye in whatever language anyone speaks.